Hello, my name is Janet Gonzalez. I 48-year old. Occupation, I married, I working, I calling, I company, I hair. I very extrovert, um, tolerant, comprehensive person, and I love my family. I currently live in city Cartagena, very close to the seas and the study storm bully. My office um, divi- divided in cubicle. The cubicle is individual, closed in glass. Because in the coordinator of Humana Manager, um, the Europe and the document were on the work and the as and the confidential information I have this weird do time I can rap board word and the grief and the most important the work the things for working such as their birthday, vacation schedule, among other birthday, vacation schedule, among other. Um, think my working group on the future work and shine on the developing of the working program. Thank you.